Welcome to the complete workout plan for building muscle for beginners. If you are new to strength training, this guide will help you build a solid foundation and achieve your fitness goals. Before starting your workout, it's important to warm up your muscles to reduce the risk of injury. Begin with some light cardio exercises such as jumping jacks or running in place for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once you've completed your warm-up, it's time to move on to the main workout. The main workout consists of 3 key components: compound exercises, isolation exercises, and rest and recovery. Compound exercises are those that work multiple muscle groups at once. Some great examples include squats, deadlifts, and bench press. These exercises are the foundation of any good workout plan and should be a key part of your routine. Isolation exercises, on the other hand, are those that work a single muscle group. These exercises can help to target specific areas and bring balance to your physique. Examples include bicep curls, tricep extensions, and shoulder presses. Rest and recovery are also key components of any workout plan. Be sure to take breaks between exercises and days off from training to give your muscles time to recover. After completing your workout, it's important to cool down with some stretching exercises. This will help to reduce soreness and prevent injury. Remember, nutrition is also a key part of building muscle. Be sure to consume a balanced diet with plenty of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Protein shakes are a great way to help your muscles recover after a workout. They provide the nutrients your body needs to repair and build new muscle tissue. And there you have it, the complete workout plan for building muscle for beginners. With consistency and dedication, you can achieve your fitness goals and transform your body.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And as always, stay healthy and keep pushing yourself to reach your goals.